Managers must make sure that what they are responsible for works well. Ray Dalio. They can do this by 1. Managing others well, as explained above, 2. Job slipping down to do work they're not responsible for because others can't do their jobs well, or 3. Escalating what they can't manage well. The first choice is optimal. The second signals that a change is needed in the people and the design. The third choice is harder still, but mandatory. Principle of the day. Robotech Crusader Cyclone Racing Division. Name Zira, the Gear Whisperer Teenies. Yes, I'm named after Tengri, the supreme sky god of Kazakh mythology, who oversees the alignment of bolts and the balance of torque. My parents had high hopes. Company name, Jeztyrnaq Dynamics. Inspired by the Kazakh mythological figure Jeztyrnaq, a warrior woman with brass claws and unparalleled strength, symbolizing cutting-edge engineering and relentless innovation. Motto, we build Batloids so you don't have to. Tagline, from shipping containers to shredding tires, we've got you covered. VC firm name Kumis Capital, backed by Umai, the goddess of fertility, protection, and the life-giving essence of kumis, fermented mare's milk. Motto, we fund your dreams, even if they're just glorified lawnmowers with lasers. Barzan the Bolt Pulan, descendant of Erlik Khan, the god of the underworld, who oversees dropped screws and last-minute fixes. Leadership style, if it's not breaking, you're not innovating. The Robotech MPMS Factory Kuka-deployable system, where lean manufacturing meets Batloid mayhem. Factory setup. Location, a secret facility hidden in the Kazakh steppes, next to a yurt and a suspiciously large pile of scrap metal. Core tech, rows of 20-foot shipping containers, each housing 2 sleek 7-axis robotic arms working in perfect harmony. Automation level, so autonomous, the robots occasionally argue about who gets to polish the laser cannons. Production philosophy, lean manufacturing, because wasting protoculture is a sin punishable by exile to the land of misfit mechs. Kanban system, every Batloid pod comes with a tag that says, don't panic, it's just a laser cannon. Kaizen mindset, daily team huddles where we ask, how can we make this mech even more ridiculous? Key features of the Robotech Crusader Cyclone Racing Edition. 1. Transformable modes. Motorcycle mode. Goes 0 to 209 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds, or faster if you're being chased by a swarm of Invid. Batloid mode. Stands at 7 feet tall. Perfect for intimidating your rivals or reaching the top shelf at the parts store. Storage mode. Folds into a compact cube, because even mechs need to fit in your garage. R2. Weapons systems. EP-40 energy pistol, for when you need to zap a rival racer or toast a marshmallow. Integrated laser designators, because nothing says I mean business like a laser pointer the size of a baguette. Optional railguns, for when you absolutely, positively need to obliterate the competition and the track. 3. Technology. Protoculture power cells. Lasts 2 months in combat or 1 weekend at a racing festival, whichever comes first. CVR3 body armor integration. Required for operation because safety is sexy. AI co-pilot, named Kok Tengri, after the god of the eternal blue sky, who guides us through bad parking and awkward small talk. 4. Applications. Racing. Because nothing says extreme sport like a transformable mech. Reconnaissance. Perfect for scouting out the competition or finding the best kebab stand. Survival. Comes with a built-in espresso machine for those long nights in the garage. Lean manufacturing lessons from the MPMAS factory. 1. Start small, initial runs, 250 to 500 units to test the market. Because nobody needs 7,200 mechs sitting in a warehouse unless you're planning to invade a small country. Iterate quickly. If a customer leaves a 1-star review, we can fix it in 6 hours, not 6 weeks. With our new 85% occupancy rate and streamlined processes, we're faster than ever at addressing feedback. 2. Control the process. In-house manufacturing. No more relying on 3PLs, third-party logistics run by Erlik Khan, the god of lost packages and broken promises. Our 7,481 SF facility at 33 Robotech Crusader Cyclone Ave, Madripoor ensures full control over production and quality. Quality control. Every Battloid is inspected by yours truly, Zira, the Gear Whisperer Teenies, in our good-condition single-tenant facility. Task 3. Cost savings. Overhead reduction. By bringing operations in-house, we save $2,300 per month. That's enough to buy 1,000 liters of kumis or 1 slightly used railgun. With an operating expense ratio of 65%, we're keeping costs lean while maximizing efficiency. Smaller batches, no more 7,200-unit runs. Now we do 500-unit batches, so we can pivot faster than a mech in motorcycle mode. This agility is backed by our 10% cap rate and $177,000 no-I. 4. Customer experience, customization. Want a Batloid in hot pink with gold trim? Done. Our 236 and 60 PSF valuation ensures we have the resources to meet even the most extravagant requests. Content creation. We document every step of the process, so you can see how your mech is made, and laugh at our occasional robot meltdowns. Our Modumus Pod score of 4 reflects our commitment to innovation and transparency. Last 30 days, Shopify sales, 29,933 DO, 1.7% conversion rate. Amazon sales, 14.4% conversion rate. Retail sales, 25,860s. Total sales, $135,700. Not bad for a company run by a guy named after a misaligned bolt operating out of a $1.77 million facility with a 15% IR and 10% cash-on-cash return. Future plans, warehouse expansion. We're adding a second shipping container, this one with a built-in sauna for the robots. New product line, introducing the VR064S Shadow Dancer Racing Edition, complete with cloaking technology, because cheating is only cheating if you get caught. Community engagement. Join our Kazakh Mecha Enthusiasts Club for exclusive access to Battloid racing events and kumis tastings. Have final thoughts. Balance cost versus effort. Spend less money, put in more effort, and occasionally bribe the robots with WD-40. Customer experience first, because a happy customer is a repeat customer, and less likely to leave a 1-star review. So, whether you're racing across the steps or just trying to impress your neighbors, the Robotech Crusader Cyclone Racing Edition is here to make your life faster, leaner, and infinitely more awesome. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go recalibrate a railgun. Ziri the Gear Whisperer Tinies, Chief Engineer. Jeztyrnaq Dynamics, proudly funded by Kumis Capital and the wisdom of Umai. Page 2. Answers to Kumis Capital's anomalous questions. 1. How will your Battloids handle a sudden invasion of spirit horses from the steppes? Answer. At Jeztyrnaq Dynamics, we take both earthly and spiritual threats seriously. Our Battloids are equipped with Koch Tengri blessed AI co-pilots, which are programmed to differentiate between physical adversaries and spectral entities like spirit horses. Additionally, we've integrated a kumis dispenser into each unit to appease restless spirits and maintain harmony on the steppes. Should the spirit horses appear, our mechs will engage in a ceremonial dance of respect before deploying non-lethal, spirit-calming energy pulses. After all, even the supernatural deserve a little courtesy. 2. Can your 7-axis robotic arms perform a traditional Kazakh domebra solo during factory downtime? Answer. Absolutely. While our 7-axis robotic arms are precision-engineered for manufacturing Battloids, we've programmed them with a cultural enrichment module. During factory downtime, they can perform a soul-stirring domebra solo, complete with traditional Kazakh melodies. In fact, we've even developed a prototype Battloid that doubles as a dance partner for the Karajorga. Imagine a 7-foot-tall mech gracefully twirling to the rhythm of the steppes. Now that's innovation with a cultural heartbeat. 3. What's your contingency plan if Erlik Khan, the god of the underworld, decides to sabotage your supply chain with dropped screws and lost packages? Answer. Erlik Khan's mischief is no match for our Tengri-approved quality control system. We've implemented ritualistic bolt-tightening ceremonies, overseen by a dedicated team of shamans to ensure every screw is secure and every package is accounted for. Additionally, our AI co-pilot, Koch Tengri, is equipped with advanced anomaly detection algorithms to identify and neutralize any underworld interference. If Erlik Khan tries to drop a screw, our mechs will catch it midair and return it to its rightful place with a polite bow. Chaos meet precision. Why these answers work. Cultural respect. They honor Kazakh mythology and traditions, aligning with Kumis Capital's values. Innovation. They showcase Jeztyrnaq Dynamics' ability to think outside the box and address even the most unconventional challenges. Humor and confidence. They inject a touch of humor while demonstrating serious preparedness, proving that the company can handle both the practical and the peculiar. By answering these anomalous questions with creativity and confidence, Jeztyrnaq Dynamics not only secures the $50 million Series A funding, but also earns the eternal respect of the gods, and maybe a few spirit horses. Kumis Capital Series A funding proposal, Jeztyrnaq Dynamics. Executive summary. Jeztyrnaq Dynamics, the leader in transformable mech manufacturing, is seeking $50 million in Series A funding to scale operations, enhance production capabilities, and solidify its position as the premier provider of Robotech Crusader Cyclone Racing Edition units. With a $1.77 million facility at 33 Robotech Crusader Cyclone Ave, Madripoor, and a proven track record of innovation, we are poised to dominate the high-performance mech market. Key metrics and financial highlights. Why it matters. Net operating income $170,000 demonstrates strong cash flow and operational efficiency. 10% reflects a healthy return on investment aligning with Kumis Capital's standards. Debt service coverage ratio 2.5 indicates robust ability to cover debt obligations, ensuring financial stability. Occupancy rate 85% shows high utilization of our 7,481 SF facility, minimizing idle capacity. BBB assures reliable revenue streams from high-quality tenants. 208,000 highlights strong revenue generation potential. Operating expense ratio 65% demonstrates cost efficiency, leaving ample margin for growth and innovation. Market rent versus in-place rent $25.50 SF versus $23.69 SF indicates potential for rent growth and increased revenue. Internal rate of return IRR 15%. Promises a high return on investment for Kumis Capital. Cash-on-cash return 10%. Ensures a steady and attractive return for investors. Valuation, asking price $1,717. Reflects the strong market value of our facility and operations. Price per square foot, $236.60. Competitive pricing in the industrial real estate market. Operational highlights, facility details. 7,481 SFF industrial warehouse office space. Condition good, with a single tenant occupancy model ensuring full control over operations. Engineer occupancy count, EOC, 47 engineers, 7,481 through 160 SEK per engineer, ensuring optimal productivity. Manufacturing capabilities, lean manufacturing, small batch production, 250 to 500 units for rapid iteration and market responsiveness. Every badloid is inspected by Zira, the gear whisperer Tinis, ensuring top-tier quality. Cost efficiency, overhead reduction, saving $20,300 a month by bringing operations in-house. Operating expense ratio, 65%, ensuring lean operations and high profitability. Market position and growth potential. Market rent versus in-place rent. Current in-place rent. Market rent, $25.50, indicating potential for 7.6% rent growth. Market vacancy rate, 12%, below the industrial average, reflecting strong demand for high-quality facilities like ours. Replacement cost, $1,200, ensuring our facility is a valuable asset with long-term appreciation potential. Investment highlights for Kumis Capital. Strong financials. NOI of 107.77, cap rate of 10% ensure a solid return on investment. DSCR of 2.5 and cash-on-cash return of 10% provide financial security and attractive yields. Scalable operations. With 85% occupancy and 7,481 SF of space, we have room to scale production and meet growing demand. Small batch manufacturing allows for rapid iteration and market responsiveness. Proven track record, $135,700 in total sales over the last 30 days, with a 14% conversion rate on Amazon. Modumas Pod score of 4 and Powerbroker score of 4.5 reflect our commitment to innovation and excellence. Cultural alignment. Backed by the wisdom of Umay, the goddess of fertility and protection, and inspired by Jeztyrnaq, the warrior woman of Kazakh mythology, we embody the spirit of innovation and resilience. Use of fund in the Finlier Series A funding will be allocated as follows. Facility expansion, $20 million to acquire additional warehouse space and upgrade existing facilities. R&D and innovation, $15 million to develop next-generation Beneloid and Badloid models and its AI co-pilot capabilities. Marketing and sales, $10 million to expand our reach in global markets and increase brand visibility. Operational efficiency, $5 million to implement advanced robotics and automation technologies. Conclusion. Jeztyrnaq Dynamics is not just a company, it's a movement. With a 1.77 million facility, 15% IRR, and a 10% cash-on-cash return, we are poised to revolutionize the mech manufacturing industry. By investing in us, Kumis Capital will not only secure a strong financial return, but also become part of a legacy inspired by the gods and goddesses of Kazakh mythology. The gear whisperer Tinis, Chief Engineer, Jeztyrnaq Dynamics, proudly funded by Kumis Capital and the wisdom of Umay.